Welcome again, children. Today we are going to continue with our lesson of English literature, lesson number 3, Brave Bubbly. This is the part 2 of the lesson. So let's start today's lesson. Today's date is 25th of May 2021. Day is Tuesday. Class is 2nd ABCD. Subject English literature. And topic is lesson number 3, Brave Bubbly, part 2. Okay, children, yesterday we had studied the lesson. I had explained the lesson, and you must have learned the story of Brave Bubbly, how brave she was, a very brave girl, poor girl, and she wanted to go to school but couldn't because of her parents could not afford the fee. And then she saved 6 children from drowning, and she got the prime award, bravery award from the Prime Minister of India. Today we are going to continue with the exercises part of the lesson. So take out your English literature copy. Okay, in the literature copy you have to start with word meaning. Okay, first you will write the lesson 3, Brave Bubbly, word meaning. First word is banks. Banks means the side of a river. The side of a river. ओके आपकी बुक में बड़ा लंबा सा दिया हुआ है, बट आई हैव मेड इट शॉर्ट वन, सो यू विल लर्न दिस शॉर्ट मीनिंग. ओके, मैंने कुछ मीनिंग्स को शॉर्ट कर दिया है, तो आप लोग उसी को शॉर्ट मीनिंग्स को ही लर्न करेंगे. डोंट लर्न द लॉन्ग सेंटेंस वट एवर गिवन इन योर बुक. ओके, बैंक्स द साइड ऑफ अ रिवर. चेस्ड, रैन आफ्टर somebody. Ran after somebody. Rocked, shaked with great force. Shaked with great force. Deed, a very good or very bad action. A very good or very bad action. And last one is award. Award means a prize. Award means a prize. So first word is banks. Banks is the side of a river. River की side में जो जगह रहती है, land रहता है, उसे कहते हैं banks. Okay, so you will write banks, the side of a river. Chased, chase means ran after somebody, किसी के पीछे भागना, किसी का पीछा करना. So ran after somebody. Rocked, rocked means shake with ग्रेट फोर्स, किस बहुत तेज़ी से हिलना. जब आप किसी चीज़ को धक्का देते बहुत तेज़ी से हिलाते, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रॉक्ड. ओके, शेक्ड विथ ग्रेट फोर्स. डीड, अ वेरी गुड और अ वेरी बैड एक्शन. कोई बहुत अच्छा या बहुत बुरा एक्शन को, काम को कहते हैं डीड. अ वेरी गुड और अ वेरी बैड एक्शन. अवार्ड, अवार्ड यू नो इट इज़ अ प्राइज. ओके, अ प्राइज. Banks, the side of a river. Chased, ran after somebody. Rocked, shake with great force. Did a very good or a very bad action. And the last one, award, it is a prize. Children, write it in your English literature copy. Okay, then is your question answers. I had made some question answers. You have to write it in your copy. Okay, then it may come in your exam. First question is, how many children did Bubbly save? How many children did Bubbly save? Answer is 6 children. 6 children. Question 2 is, where did Bubbly want to go? Where did Bubbly want to go? Answer is school. Answer is school. Third is, who gave her the award? Who gave her the award? Answer is the Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister of India. So these 3 question answers along with the word meaning you will write in your copy. First, how many children did Bubbly save? 6 children. Where did Bubbly want to go? School. Who gave her the award? The Prime Minister of India. Children, these question answers are not given in your book, so please write it in your copy. Then next is your exercise given in the book. So take out your book and write the answers of the exercises given. First is A, comprehension. A1. Read the following sentences carefully. Find out the words from the lesson to fill in the blanks. आपको बुक से लेसन में से वर्ड्स को ढूंढ के इसको फिल करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट इज द डैश ऑफ इंडिया गेव अ डैश अवार्ड टू डैश ऑन 25th January 2005. So the Prime Minister, PRIME, Prime, MINISTER, Prime Minister of India gave a bravery, BRAVERY, bravery award to Bubbly on 25th January 2005. the Prime Minister of India gave a bravery award to Bubbly on 25 February 2005. Second, Bubbly dreams of going to dash, but her dash has no dash for the school dash. So, Bubbly dreams of going to school, SCHOOL. Bubbly dreams of going to school, but her parents, 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 has no MONEY money for the school fee, FEEE. Bubbly dreams of going to school, but her parents has no money for the school fee. Third, she likes to dash her family and dash. She likes to help, HELP, help her family and friends, FRIENDS, friends. She likes to help her family and friends. Fourth, in the evening on 30 June 2004, 6 dash dash were playing on the dash of the Ganga. In the evening on 30 June 2004, 6 young, YOUNG, young children, CHILDERN, children, were playing on the BANKS banks of the Ganga. In the evening on 30 June 2004, 6 young children were playing on the banks of Ganga. Fifth, they climbed onto a vegetable dash and started dash on it. They climbed onto a vegetable cart and started jumping, jumping on it. They climbed onto a vegetable cart and started jumping on it. 6. Bubbly jumped dash times into the water to dash the children. Bubbly jumped 3 times into the water to save the children. Bubbly jumped 3 times into the water to save the children. Okay children. Now next is A2 exercise. Circle A और B for the correct answer. ठीक है, दो आपको ऑप्शन दिए, दोनों में से जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है you have to circle that. First is Bubbly saved 6 children from drowning in a river. B, falling in a well. So she saved 6 children from drowning in a river. So circle A, drowning in a river. Okay, A is the correct answer. Second, the cart with 6 children on it. A, rolled down the sandy road towards the river. B, rolled down the sandy slope towards the river. So it was a slope. So B answer is correct. Roll down the sandy slope towards the river. So circle B. Third, who helped Bubbly save the children? A, only Bubbly's brother helped her save the children. B, all the people helped Bubbly save the children. तो किसने help की थी? Only Bubbly's brother helped her save the children. So our answer is option number A. Correct answer is option number A. So circle A. Then fourth is who wrote about Bubbly's brave deed? A, a shopkeeper wrote about it in Amar Ujala. B, a newspaper reporter wrote about it in Amar Ujala. किसने लिखा था? न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्टर ने. So you will circle B option. A newspaper reporter wrote about it in Amar Ujala. So circle B option. So children, this is all for today. We'll continue with the exercises of the same lesson tomorrow also. So this is all. Thank you.